Hey guys, it's Tori. So today I am doing a fall makeup look. I honestly don't know what I want to do. I have 4 eyeshadow palettes that are all oldies but goodies. And I don't know what I want to do. But all I know is I am so in the fall mood. Sorry if you hear my brother out there. He's playing video games and he's loud. But we're just gonna wing it. I have some new products in here and some olds, so we're just gonna see where this goes. But I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to see my face, and let's get started. Okay, so these are the 4 eyeshadow palettes I have. I have the Modern Renaissance, Soft Glam, 3502, and the original Jaclyn Hill palette. I love all of these. I just about dropped them. I love all of these, and I feel like they're all perfect for fall. So if you don't have a palette with either cool tones or super warm tones or burgundies, I recommend any of these palettes. This is obviously like burgundies and cool tones, and then like this is your warm tones, and then the other 2 are kind of like a mixture of both. I would definitely recommend either the Anastasia ones or the Jaclyn Hill, because the Jaclyn Hill has literally any color you could ever think of for fall, and it also has some like pops of color in here. Like this palette is just perfect for fall. Like look at all of these tones that you can work with. But I grabbed all 4 of these because I didn't know what I wanted to do, and clearly you can see I'm in my bathroom. My mom's currently in the kitchen, so I just figured I'd come in here and film. But I'm going to prime my eyes with the ABH eye primer and then try and figure out what I want to do. I kind of lied. This is actually the 35M palette. I was looking at all my palettes and I thought that I grabbed the 3502, but I grabbed this one. And I actually think this one might be the one I mainly use today. For my transition, I think I'm gonna go in with burnt orange and a little bit of golden ochre from the Modern Renaissance palette. Actually, I'm gonna go in with this orange shade first. Sorry, I'm kind of all over the place, but I just haven't filmed in forever, especially a makeup video, like literally forever. So I'm going in with this orange shade from the Morphe palette first, and then I will blend it out with those 2 shades from the ABH palette. I'm currently using my ring light with like, it has a tripod built into it that I just got like a month ago or something, and I haven't used it yet for a video. So I'm super excited. It's working really well. Like the lighting looks amazing. It's from the brand Newer, and it was like $30 maybe. And I think I saw Alicia Marie use it for her vlog channel or something. And I'd been like wanting it, but I hadn't been waiting to buy it. And I've been working a ton lately. I worked yesterday and on Saturday. Today is currently Labor Day. And so I've been working a lot, and I've also been doing some like on the side online things with like clothing brands and stuff. So I've just been like getting a good amount of money right now. And so I've just kind of been like buying like some things. Like I've expanded all of my nail art stuff. I have a ton of like nail polish colors now and gems and things. And then I have a ton of new makeup. Like I can't wait to do a like my 2021 makeup collection, because I always do it at the very beginning of the new year. And you guys are gonna be like, this is insane. Like this girl has so much new makeup. Some life things I have going on. I have gone back to school, obviously. I've been going to cos school and then doing regular classes online. I want to film a like online school day in the life and then like a cos student day in the life. I just kind of need to talk to my teacher and like get her permission to do it, because like we're not supposed to have our phones in class unless we ask permission first, which I understand, because she was like, if you are working in a salon or with clients, you don't want to have your phone sitting there distracting you. Like you don't want to be on your phone while you have a client. So like it makes complete sense to me. So I just kind of want to like ask her ahead of time. So far we've like learned a few things, and we have our first test in like a week or something. And so we played Kahoot last week. I came in 3rd place, and I was actually really surprised. Like, I was proud of myself. There's so much stuff you have to learn as a college student. Like, it's ridiculous. Like, I didn't think it was gonna be as difficult as I think it's going to be. Like, I thought it would be a little bit easier, but like, we have a specific math class just for the college students. Not math, science class just for college students. And like, I don't know, it's gonna be very hectic, and it's gonna be a lot of work and a lot of learning, but I think it's definitely gonna be worth it because I'm going to be graduating high school with my cosmetology license, so I don't have to like go to college or pay all that extra money for my license because I already will have. But I've bought in a ton of fall clothes. I want to do a haul once it all comes in. I've made one order, and I'm planning on making another one soon after I get paid. And I just like love fall so much. I love the makeup, I love the clothes, I love like the pumpkins and leaves. Like, I love all of it so much. Like, I'm so excited. Okay, so now I'm going in with this burgundy shade right here. It is like a burgundy, but it definitely has a hint of orange in it. So I'm just gonna take like a little itty bitty detail brush and pack that on, and then I'm gonna put that on the outer corner. I always tap off my brush when I do my eyeshadow looks because I feel like sometimes you get way too much pigment. But I'm just gonna dab this on the very outer corner and blend it a little bit into the crease just because you obviously want a beautiful blend. But I'm just kind of working that in. And I recommend going in with a little bit of shadow like to start, and then just build it up because you don't want to go in with way too much and then you have like a shit show on your eye. Now I'm just going in with this orange shade right here on my lid. It is a shimmery shade. I'm gonna just apply it with my finger because I didn't bring a brush for this, but here's like the swatch of it. It's like beautiful. It's literally like your perfect like pumpkin-y shade. So I'm just going to apply that on the lid. I was gonna wait to put my lashes on, but I think I'm gonna put them on now. These, I actually don't know what brand these are. I think they're House of Sparkles. I think I got them in like a holiday box or something like 2 years ago maybe. But I've never worn them, so I have to cut them down and everything. But I'm gonna go put these on and then I'll be right back. And as you can tell, they're very dramatic. So I guess we're going to be a drama queen today. Okay, so the lashes are on. They are huge, but I kind of really like them. And then like, I don't know. I think it's cute. But I quickly want to show you guys my super cute socks. Let's try and get my foot up here. Look at these. They have little pumpkins on them. And I just think they're adorable. But the eyes are done. I'm really jealous of girls who have like really big, beautiful eyes. Like, they can wear huge ass lashes and it'll look like perfectly fine. They won't look weird. Like, it just looks so beautiful. Like, the girls who can wear like 25mm lashes, I'm not gonna lie, I'm very jealous of them. Like, I have some and I'm just way too afraid to try them on. I just want to tell you guys, I used the Urban Decay All Nighter Ultra Glow Primer. I'm pretty sure it was Rachel Cantu that recommended this, so of course your girl got it. So I used that, and then for foundation, I've never used this before, but I'm using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. I have it in 2 shades because in stores you cannot tell what your color is gonna be. So I'm probably gonna have to mix them together. I still have a little self tan on, but I'm looking pretty pale right now. So I have the shade Porcelain and the shade Light Ivory. I think I'm gonna use like 1.5 pumps of Light Ivory and then mix in a pump of the Porcelain shade. Now it's been so long since I filmed, I can't remember. And I have videos that need edited. I'm just like so unmotivated to edit. Like, it takes so much time, and I hate editing so much. Like, I don't want to sit here and listen to myself talk for that long. But I need to just, like, get back into it, and I know I've been saying that forever. And even this video probably won't go up for a really, really long time. But I'm trying, guys. Like, I promise. Like, at least I'm sitting here filming. Like, at least I'm putting that much effort in, because filming, honestly, is the longest part. Like, editing, yeah, it takes, like, an hour. But still, like, I don't want to sit there for an hour. Like, I'd rather be watching Grey's Anatomy, which is my current love. I am on season 8 already, I think, of Grey's Anatomy, and that show is just everything. Like, I love it. I love Meredith so much, and I love Derek and her together so much. Like, and I already know so much of stuff that's gonna happen because of TikTok spoiling it for me. But, like, I don't even mind, because, like, at least I'm warned that, like, people are gonna die. Anybody who has their nose pierced will know how hard it is to fucking put makeup around your nose piercing, because, like, mine is not healed all the way, where, like, I can just put makeup right on top of it, because then when I go to take it off, it will rip out my ring. Like, makeup wipes will snag on it and shit, and, like, I'm just not trying to deal with that. This might be for more of, like, oily to normal skin people, because I have dry to normal skin, but, like, it looks pretty, like, it looks good on camera. In real life, it's kind of gross. So I'm now going in with the Milani Conceal and Perfect Concealer in the shade Nude Ivory. My brother's being so loud. Oh my god, it's annoying. He's literally always this loud, and it's, like, obnoxious. Like, he used to play his games in his bedroom, and then, like, I don't know, a couple weeks to a month ago, he decided that he was going to, like, live in the living room, basically, and sleep out there at night and stuff. And I'm just like, dude, you're obnoxiously loud. Like, why do you just sit out there? I just look crazy cakey. We need to get some color on this face, but for powder, I'm going with the e.l.f. Halo Glow, which I've been using this a ton lately. I love that there's, like, a little turny thing as like a stopper. And so I pour some in the lid like that, and then I close it back up. And then just always pour the excess powder that I don't use back in the container. But I think one of my problems with the foundation and stuff is that I just had a hiccup. Oh my goodness. Excuse me. But I didn't wet my beauty blender. Like, I kind of, like, forgot. Like, maybe that's my problem. I'm not exactly sure. But I'm going in with this, which fell out of this. It's the Cheek Stars Reunion Tour thing. And for bronzer, obviously I'm using Hoola because that's the only bronzer in here. But I think that these palettes are such a good deal. You get 5 full-size products for like $60-ish or something like that. For blush, I'm thinking I'm gonna go in with Dallas and Georgia, because this is more of like a matte and this has a bit of like a peachy shimmer to it. And obviously since it's a fall look, you kind of want a bit of like a peachy but like darker tone, which is why Dallas I feel like is like a perfect mix of Georgia, because Dallas is more of like a brown tone blush, if you can see that. And then Georgia is like a super peachy with a little shimmer in it. For highlighter, Cookie, obviously. And sorry my chair is like really squeaky, it's like super old. But this, I need my mirror, I can't see shit. I'm so upset actually that this like fell out, because like it makes it a little bit more difficult. But I'm just applying this right to the cheeks. I feel like my brother did not get the memo about him being too loud. Like, if you guys can't hear him, that's gonna be really embarrassing. But he's like being so loud. I love looking like a glazed donut. Sorry about it. Okay, so for mascara, words Tori, I'm going in with the Benefit Bad Girl Bang, and I'm just gonna lightly put this on my upper lashes. Even though I don't really think I need it, I'm just like kind of used to doing it just so like my natural lashes blend with the falsies just a little bit better. So for brows, I'm going in with the e.l.f. Instant Lift Brow Pencil in blonde, obviously, and then the Benefit 24-hour dropped it brow setter on top as well. Okay, so for setting spray, I'm going in with the Morphe Luminous setting spray. You guys saw me get this at like the beginning of summer. So I'm just going to spritz my face and then we will be completely done with this makeup look. Okay, so this is my finished fall makeup look. I would usually put a lip on, but I just like don't feel like having one on. Wipe off a little bit of foundation on my lips, but I kind of like the natural lip look. If I were to put something on my lips, it'd be like a nude lip liner with like a nude lipstick and then a gloss on top. I just love glossy lips the best personally, but I also wore a red lipstick recently which looked beautiful. I obviously wouldn't wear that with an orange eye look, I don't think, but I definitely think with like a brown look it'd be super cute, and you could easily do a brown smoky eye for fall time. But this is the finished look. I love the way it looks. I love how blue my eyes look. I think the lashes look amazing. And then I just have like this cute little like burgundy top and like an oversized flannel on, and I just feel like it's a whole fall vibe. And I don't know if I'm gonna take my hair out of the braids because I don't know if I feel like it. I kind of like the braids, like they're a little messy. But yeah, this is the finished makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my face, and I will see you beautiful people next time. Bye guys.